Hi children, today we are going to learn about birds. What is the lesson name? Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. Birds are the only animals with feathers. See, all the birds have feathers. Birds have wings. These are the wings. These are the wings. It helps to fly in the sky. Let's see the birds. What is the first picture? See, have you identified this? Yes, it is a peacock. What is this? It is a peacock. Say the spelling. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. It is a peacock. It is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. It has beautiful feathers. See, these are the feathers. It can dance also. It can dance also. Peacock eats grass and grains and animals also. It eats grains and animals like snakes like that. Peacock have feathers. Peahen not have feathers. Peacock have feathers. Peahen not have feathers. Have you understood about peacock? Say spelling. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. It is our national bird. It can dance also. It can dance also. See the next picture. What is this? It is a parrot. What is this? It is a parrot. Say spelling. P-A-R-R-O-T. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. It is in which color it is in? Green color. It is in green color. The beak is red in color. It is in red color. The parrot, it eats grains and fruits. It eats grains and fruits. Parrot can talk also. Parrot can talk also. Okay, say once again. Which color it is in? It is in green color. Its beak in red color. It eats grains and fruits. Parrot can talk. Okay. See this. What is this? This is a crow. What is this? It is a crow. Which color it is? Which color? It is in black color. It is in black color. It lays not only eggs and cuckoo's eggs also. It lays not only its eggs and cuckoo's eggs also. See. Say spelling. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Next. What is this? Owl. Say spelling. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl have large eyes. See the difference. These three birds have small eyes, but owl have very large eyes and flat face. Owls are active at night time and it can see in the darkness. Night times it can see. Owls can turn their head as much as 270 degrees. It turns its head to 270 degrees. It hunts insect and mammals. It eats insect and mammals. See? What is this? This is a owl. It have large eyes and flat face. See, large eyes and flat face. It is active at night time. It can see night time also. In darkness also it can see. Have you understood about these four birds? First one, peacock, parrot, crow, owl. Next, see the cock. What is this? It is a cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. A cock is a male chicken, also called a rooster. It is also called rooster. It have big feathers, see. Next, see. What is this? This is a hen. What is this? It is a hen. A hen is a female chicken. This one is male chicken and this one is female chicken. It gives us eggs. It gives us eggs. Both eats grains. Cock eats grain. Hen eats grain. Next, what is this? Sparrow. What is this? Sparrow. Say spelling. Sparrow. Sparrow. We can see this bird in our surroundings also. It eats grains. It is a small bird. It is a small bird. Next, what is this? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck says quack quack. Yes. What is this? This is a duck. It lives in water and land also. This one also give eggs. Next, what is this? Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. In olden days, this bird carry letters here and there. Olden days, this bird carry letters. In olden days, there are no post offices there. So, that time they used these birds like postman. This bird carry letters here and there. It eats grains. See, what is this? It is an ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. It is a one type of hen. It is a one type of hen. It gives also eggs. This one also give eggs. It is very heavy body. It has very heavy body. It eats snakes also. Ostrich eats snakes also. See, what is this? Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. What is this? This is crane. It eats fishes. It hunts fishes and eats. It lives most of the time in water. See the next picture. What is this? It is an eagle. It is an eagle. Say the spelling. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. It can fly very high. This eagle fly very high. It eats animals. It eats animals, snakes, small chicks. Okay. Next. Last one. What is this? Vulture. What is this? It is a vulture. Say spelling. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. See here. In the part of the neck, you don't have feathers. See. Vulture eats dead bodies. Dead bodies are flesh. Animals' flesh. Dead animals' flesh. Say once again. See all the pictures. What is this? This is a peacock. What is this? This is a peacock. See the second one. What is this? Parrot. What is this? This is a parrot. Crow. Say all the spellings once again. Peacock spelling. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. O-W-L. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Next. C-O-C-K. Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. O-W, sparrow. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. C-R-A-N-E, crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Next, vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Okay, now I will ask few questions. How many wings birds have? How many wings birds have? How many wings? 2. See, all birds have 2 wings. Each bird have 2 wings. Name the bird that can dance. In these pictures, which bird can dance? Which bird? Parrot? No. Crow? No. Which one? Peacock. Which bird? Peacock can dance. Next, name the bird that can talk. Which bird can talk? Hen? No. Owl? No. Then, what is the answer? Parrot. What is the answer? Parrot can talk. Next, which bird can see in darkness? Darkness means night times. In night times, which bird can see? Eagle? No. Sparrow? No. The answer is owl. Owl can see in darkness. Next, which bird gives us eggs? Which bird gives us eggs? Which bird? We eat that bird's eggs. Which bird? Hen. What is the answer? Hen. Duck also give eggs, but we eat hen eggs only. Next, which bird is used to carry letters? Which bird is used to carry letters? Which one? Say the answer. Cock, ostrich, vulture. The answer is pigeon. Pigeon. Next, can eagle fly high? Can eagle fly high? Yes, it can fly very high. Next, can ostrich fly? This one is ostrich. Ostrich can fly? No, it cannot fly because it has a heavy body. So it cannot fly. Okay? Read all these words and do practice 5 times. Do practice each word 5 times. Okay? While you are writing, say the spelling also. Now only you have to read easily. You have to learn easily. Thank you.